Everyone wants to earn money as a student. But back in school, we were often told not to think too much about money and focus on education. But once we're out in the real world, suddenly we're expected to find a job and support our families. It's like a switch flips. Girls have more choices in this matter, while guys often feel the pressure to make money for their families. So it's important to realize early on that earning money is a part of life. There's no shame in it, and talking about money isn't a bad thing either. In my own experience, I've learned that it's smart to start understanding money, and knowing how to handle money will actually help you become more successful and gain financial freedom faster. I'm not an expert, but I read a lot of books on personal finance and also have been running my online business very well. So, from my knowledge and experience, I have been sharing some tips that will help you to reach that $10,000 benchmark at your early age of life. Just stick with me till the end, and do consider subscribing if you want to learn more about finance. So first of all, we have to understand the difference between skills and degrees. Understanding the difference between skills and degrees is a game changer. Think about Bill Gates. He didn't have a degree, but he had skills that made him a billionaire. And guess what? He kept on learning, not to crack exams, but to sharpen his skills. How many degrees you have doesn't matter nowadays. What really matters is what you can do and how skilled you are. Companies might hire you based on your degree, but it's your skills that'll get you promotions. And the good news is, you can learn new skills easily these days. Imagine a simple in-depth course in digital marketing or VFX animation could lead you to earn $10,000 a month. You just need a handful of clients, paying around $2,000 to $3,000 each for your services. That's how you can easily reach that $10,000 per month goal. Plus, you could even start your own digital marketing agency eventually. You might know this man, Iman Gadzi. He founded IAG Media while still in college. Then he dropped out. And now? He's a multi-millionaire owning 3 companies. It's proof that skills can take you places, even if you don't follow the traditional path. So the big question is, which skills should you really focus on? Well, it's different for each person. I'm into digital marketing, but someone might be super talented at art, animation, or photography. The point is, there's money to be made in every field. But take note, just taking a photography course won't magically turn you into an amazing photographer. It's about what you truly know and love. What really matters is what you know and what you're passionate about. If you love dancing, guess what? You can turn that passion into a career by teaching dance or even opening your own dance institute. If you're a guitar whiz, you could charge $200 to $300 for a session. Do 3 a day, and you're looking at $500 to $1,000 daily. That could easily add up to $10,000 a month. Can traditional jobs promise that right out of graduation? Think about it. It's worth thinking about. Getting a bunch of degrees might look impressive, but it's not the real deal. Your true worth comes from your skills, not just paper certificates. Seriously, you could have 100 degrees, but if you don't really know your stuff, your future career might be in trouble. So bottom line, focus on what you're good at and what you enjoy. Always put your focus on sharpening your skills. They're your real friend, not just certificates. All right, here's step 2. Start small, but act now. It's sad seeing young folks just hanging around, wasting time on social media or on watching Netflix. Don't fall into that trap. Even a small start is better than doing nothing. Think about learning a new language. Don't stress about becoming a pro in a week. Spend just 30 minutes daily on vocabulary or language lessons. Those little steps add up, and soon you'll rock that language. Got a business idea? Start with a tiny version or a limited product. Waiting for the perfect time? Nope, not necessary. Successful startups often kick off with one product or target a specific group. Start now, gather feedback, and watch your business grow. So the point is, whatever skills you want to learn, whatever you want to do, start doing it now. Don't wait for tomorrow because it never comes. All right, next up, tip number 3, a real gem. You've got to connect with folks who think like entrepreneurs. I know some people are shy, they keep to themselves, but that's got to change. From childhood, we're told not to talk to strangers. It's not the best advice. Think about it. If you plan on doing business or even just going to a shop, you'll deal with strangers. Your future spouse? A stranger at first. So, breaking out of that introverted shell is key. be bold, and make connections, especially with those entrepreneurial-minded friends. Now you might be asking, what is an entrepreneurial mindset? Well, they're the ones with passion, different ideas. You've seen them in school, the unique ones who stand out. You won't find them everywhere, maybe just a few in your class or different sections, but find them and link up. In today's world, startups are booming. Everyone's thinking, what cool new thing can I do? When you're part of that crowd, you get inspired. Their actions rub off on you, and motivation kicks in. There's this saying, you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with. So, it's a game changer to hang out with these folks if you want to speed up your financial freedom journey. Now let's talk about the final point. But before I dive in, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you feel like you have gotten value so far. Alright, final point, leveling up. What's that mean? Well, you know how parents often say, hang out with kids your age, don't talk to older folks? Forget that. When you're aiming to make money, connect with those who've been around a bit longer, who've succeeded, and who know the paths. These are the people who can show you the way for free. Trust me, it's a golden chance. For example, even though I'm just 26, I've got buddies who are 33. They've traveled more, earned more, and done more. So guess what? I'm soaking up their wisdom, free of charge. See, age doesn't matter. Leveling up means reaching beyond your circle. Chat with people ahead of you, who've got more money, more know-how, and more business savvy. When you meet someone like that, listen up. Ask questions and let them share their insights. When you talk too much, you miss out. The world is huge, full of folks to learn from. Remember step 3? Connect with those entrepreneurial minds. Well, they can be older too. Age doesn't matter here either. They can be older, and they can be your ticket to quick money-making insights. So remember, level up, learn from the best, and take guidance to speed up your money-making game. To sum it up, remember these 4 golden rules for kickstarting your journey to make $10,000 per month. First, you have to focus on what are the skills that you are loved, and then invest your time in learning and developing skills. Second, start small, but act now. Third, hang out with entrepreneurial mindset folks so that you always get motivated towards your dream. And finally, try to level up your circle. So, there you have it, a roadmap to financial freedom. In conclusion, by implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can pave the way toward earning $10,000 per month while being a student. Follow these advice. If you like them, you can comment on which advice you like the most. Till now, stay happy and see you in the next video.